Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: an active Riot account, the latest Valorant client, and stable internet. Once those are ready, open play and choose Unrated or Spike Rush. These modes let you encounter bots through low skill queues early on. Next, enter the practice range briefly to set crosshair, audio, and sensitivity so your client won't force reconfiguration mid-queue. After that, queue immediately with a single roster. Don't preload party members if you want quicker bot matches, because solo queues more often populate with bots. Once queued, you create conditions that favor bot matches. Queue solo during off-peak hours, late nights or early mornings, because fewer real players means the matchmaker fills with bots faster. Also, if you're testing, use a low-ranked or secondary account. The system often injects bots into unfamiliar or Smurf pools to maintain timing. Make sure you accept the first low-populated lobbies and avoid dodging matches. Repeated dodges push you into standard matchmaking, where bots are rarer. These choices compress wait time and raise bot. To finalize, join the match and verify bot presence by observing behavior. Bots move predictably, have basic aim, and repeat patterns. Play a couple of rounds to confirm and then exit or continue for your training. If you don't encounter bots, restart the client, clear temporary files, or switch regions briefly to reset matchmaking. This often forces different population behavior. One key troubleshooting tip: run the practice range for 5 minutes, then requeue. That small reset can flip you into a bot-populated lobby if the system was previously matching you with humans.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.